Hi there, welcome to my channel. I am sure that you have watched both the promos of the course that I am creating, Work and Life in the New Ecosystem. I have uploaded a third video with the detailed course content. If you haven't seen it already, you can go to my channel. It is the third video in the playlist. One of the important modules of this course is finding the balance between family and work while being productive working from home. The points in this topic have come out very well, and I wanted to share them with you as some kind of a preview. So, here it is. Please let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you for being here, and let's get into the topic. Finding the balance between family and work. In this module, we will try and find the balance between family and work while being productive from home. This has become very important because working from home has become the new normal nowadays. Just go back 6 months before when the lockdown started. We were very excited at the prospect of working from home. At last, we do not have the 3 hours commute every day that we used to have. We thought we would become more productive. We thought with more time on our hands, we could do more things. Maybe learn new skills, learn a new computer language, learn new soft skills. We had these hopes. More than anything, we thought we could devote more time to our family because we were going to work from home. Now, after some months, we find that the overall workload has increased. The boss tells you that look, you're not commuting for 3 hours every day. Put in that time to increase your productivity. We cannot go out and relax in parks, gyms, restaurants, malls, and other public places. One by one they are opening up, but there are a lot of restrictions. This has resulted in extreme boredom and decreased motivation. As time went by, a feeling of loneliness has set in. You are sitting alone in front of your computer screen in a closed room without any social interaction. Many of us are suffering from anxiety and depression. As a result of all this, productivity has been negatively impacted. Motivation levels have decreased and we have become lazy. This is true for many of us. The goals that we had set for ourselves are not achieved. The daily routine is forgotten and we are sitting around watching Netflix in our home clothes. This is not a good thing. What makes it even worse is that we find that our friends and colleagues are facing similar issues. When we talk to them, they confess that these are the battles that they are also facing. On the vaccine front, there is no sign of a vaccine yet, and even if it happens, it will take several months, maybe even years. It looks like working from home is here to stay. Some companies have declared indefinite working from home for many positions. We have to find a way to make this work. How to find the balance? Firstly, we have to have a positive mindset. Do not allow negative thoughts to take hold. The media is the biggest culprit in spreading negative thoughts about the pandemic. Shut off the media and cultivate only positive thoughts. Hold a family meeting. Involve all the members of the family in the meeting and communicate with them the importance of your work time and space. Seek their cooperation. You will find that they are more than willing to cooperate with you and to help you out. Listen to their point of view and suggestions. Don't bulldoze anybody. Bring about a sense of unity in the family. Here are some suggestions on how to find the balance. Firstly, plan your schedule properly, execute the schedule, and be more consistent. This is very much like when you used to go to work in the office. Have a set time by which you do a particular thing and become predictable. Create a workspace at home which will make it easy for you to work. Maybe a separate room or a separate corner in a space where you can work uninterrupted. Take scheduled breaks as you would do in the office. This is important because you need breaks from computer screen time. Communicate your schedules and breaks to your supervisor and colleagues. They should know when you will start work, when you will take your breaks, and when you will finish work. Handle interruptions with care. Be more understanding. If your little one walks in, and asks you for some help, turn off the video, shut off the audio, and attend to the little one before restarting your work. Finish work at a set time each day so that your family knows when you will be available for them. This is important so that they can respect the time when you are at work and the balanced time you can devote to your family and their activities. What are the benefits of finding the balance? You will find that a sense of harmony sets in. You are able to work in peace. Your family knows when you are at work and when you will be available to them, and this helps them a lot. Since the family knows when you will be there for them, this boosts their morale. They feel a lot better when they know that after 7 o'clock it's their time. You will find that your productivity increases and very soon you are back to your old self. These are the suggestions that we have on finding the balance between family and work while being productive from home. In the next video, we will look at student-teacher relationships and the challenges they face. If you like this video, there are 5 things that you need to do. Give me a thumbs up. Send me your feedback and suggestions in the comment section. Share this video with your friends and colleagues. Subscribe to my channel and ring the bell for instant notification as new content gets posted. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.